Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, the legend Admiral Bailey talks his own personal crime plan for Jamaica. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. Bless up and Happy New Year again, everyone. I've been a little bit sick, under the weather. Like I said, a little food poisoning. John, no. Then I caught a cold, not cove. I said cold. Anyway, what's been going on in Jamaica? Boy, like, what is it? Like, last thing I checked, was it 72? That, so far, I'm losing count. That's not good. So, yo, me, I beg on no, please put down the gun and stop the bull crap. Please. This is just too crazy. All right. Legend, Admiral Bailey, just take it away and let the world know what you think should be done and how you feel. Love.
Look here. The world know who this Admiral Bailey is. See? Everybody talk about crime plan, everybody talk about crime. I mean, those things are full time now. We say like a piece about crime. You see when me see them kill like a 9-year-old down a country, cut the little boy throat. Right, me fed up now. Enough is enough. And them a talk about crime plan. Me have a little crime plan we want to share with them. Hear my crime plan. You see the man where have the gun and kill a next man with the gun. Hang! Straight hang, no sentencing. But not life and 15 years and then come back and work, come kill another man again. Straight hang. You see the man them where rape. Hang! You see the man them where do robbery and them suck them. You give them ear or where you want, give them 15 and then way. You see them little man now, where they do robbery, burglary and something called misdemeanor, them that call it a foreign. You swear you hang the man them way and do the serious crime, you carry them man there, go watch them man there hang, and watch shit a drop out of them body, and piss a drop out of them pants foot. That is an act of deterrent. When a man see them suck there, he don't want them suck them to him. Must start looking to himself. See? That's a one. Two. You see soldier them wanna put us some like a corner in some community and the man that one tent. And when night time come, you see how 4-5 girls come check them and buy them ready for transfer out of the community. Them have 4-5 baby there. Take with them cell phone. Tie soldier them. So then they rat patrol and phone there them ears. What kind of crime you fight? Take with all I soldier them phone. You see police them will drive up and down in a nice AC unit vehicle them, and them window wind up. Take out the AC out of the unit them. Let them wind down the window so they can hear when they shut a fire and hear what go on the road, and when people are ball out for help and them a drive past, because the window them wind up and them on the AC. See? Get some helicopter, soldier and police and dog with train for sniff out gun and carry them into the community then want to know the gun them there and live in the for a week. Carry a bulldozer to dig up the yard them, dig up the road them, dig up the bush them, dig up the ceiling them and find the gun. Enough is enough. And then now, the next one, deputize all license firearm, rope them in. I make them swear and deputize them. Back in the days, when I look at a thing named home guard. So you can call, say, license firearm man, them are your home guard. You know what friend me have? We have firearm. And see things that happen. Robbery are going, rape are going, killing are going, and just turn him head the next way and go about in business. Why? Because when them intervene, when the license firearm man them intervene and fire 2 shots, them treated like a them are the criminal. Carry them down a station, investigate them, take with them gun, Hindi come, this year come, everybody come. Yeah, no man no time for none of them stress and pressure. That is why enough time when crime are going, man they will have license gun we could have intervene, but them turn them head the next way because of them saying for them problem. So if the situation no reach them or them immediate family, then now look. If you deputize them, yeah, and make them know say, listen, We need you to help out the security force to help fight crime. Watch and see how much crime solve and how much crime prevent. Yeah? Then now, the next one now, yeah? Me are telling us make the police them start walk. This bag of drive up and down on the main road start drive, walk down in some community. Kick off some boy doors some 4 o'clock a morning time. Yeah? Start kick with some man foot on corner and search them up. Drive fear in them. No fear in them money again. We agree. So them nowadays money come like them on a heart. Yeah? But you have to fight fire with fire. Yeah? In the come. And my crime plan me telling you now. See, in the come and Jamaica for justice and them people there. Lock them out of existence for 6 months. And clean up the place. Yeah, lock them out, bring in a law, lock them down for 6 months. Yeah, them can't come, but them and investigate and them and this and them and that. Kind of fight fire with fire. Yeah, when the bad man them kill the people them and kill this and kill that. Nobody not investigate them until police hold them or hear or hold them. Right? But as the police them intervene and a certain man intervene, on a run come. Yeah? And my crime plan that. And fire national security minister and I do nothing. And the commissioner start make back police. We work hard and know the street become back commissioner of police. You can't take man out of the army where sit down on a desk all long and on all road I run and come turn him in a commissioner of police. Make the police them, yeah, start govern themselves in terms of a man who work hard in the force and know the ground routes how force run, put him in a commissioner of police. You have deputy or assistant, yeah, deputy them call him, commissioner all long. And him know say all the deputy is how much years him going to be deputy. No time at all him not going to be commissioner. What kind of inspiration, what kind of motivation that I give him for work? Eh? When a man knows say, yo, yeah, me a deputy commissioner, I work hard, me I go become commissioner, I work harder. And promote some more man. Man, it take too long to get promotion. My crime plan that. Yeah? One bag of constable drive up and down, you look on the man's shoulder, no man on a stripe. You there is a little corporal there with them. One man a sergeant for 40 years and can't turn inspector. My crime plan that.
And he's saying some real good stuff there, you know. The police got to get back to being a part of the community, and that's not only for Jamaica. That's for most places around the world that I know. Look at what's going on in America. Same stuff. Know what I mean? All right. Admiral Bailey, pick up yourself. We know you're caring. And, you know, sharing is caring, and that's blessings, all right? People, I'm Daddy Reds, and I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. See, my voice sounds funny, but dread out for now. This is Talking News.